Hi everyone. Now we learn fifth social studies subject, first lesson, globe and maps. The topic is globe and map. Let's start. So previous session we learned the earth. There is some questions. Just learn, answer it. Who proposed that earth is round? The answer is that Greek scholar Pythagoras. Second question, why did the ancient people do not travel to the earth edge? Because ancient people believe that the earth was flat. If they travel, they would fall off from its or earth's surface. So that's why they do not travel to the earth's edge. And the third question is very easy. How is the shape of the earth? It is like an orange or the sphere geoid. Okay. So let's start next session, which include globe and maps. Globe. What is globe? A globe is a model of Earth. You can see that this is the globe, so it is called model of the Earth. So this globe gives us a fairly accurate idea about it. Means if you want to idea about the Earth, so you will get the complete idea about the Earth from the globe. On a globe we can see the shapes and location, so you can see that there is a different countries are there. Australia, here is India, so different countries shape and the location we can see on the globe. And at the same time we can see the continent, it's the Australia continent, it's Asia continent. So here we can see the oceans also and seas also. So globe is very useful to see the shapes, location of the continents as well as oceans and seas. So what are the features of the globe? First is that we can only see the half of the globe at a time. So now you can see this is a globe. So backside of the globe you cannot see, only you can see the half of the globe. Second is that we have to rotate the globe to see the other half. And if you want to see the backside, so you have to rotate the globe. So by rotating the globe, you can see the full, or you can see the other side of the globe. Globe is useful mainly to learn the feature of the earth. What is the main purpose of the globe? To learn the feature of the earth. So globe also has its own limitation. Some drawbacks are there. Some weakness are in the globe also. So let's see the limitation of the globe. So globe has own limitation. The first limitation is that a globe does not give detailed information. So globe does not give the detailed information. It can only show the shape and the size and the location only. Second, globe is difficult to carry because it is occupies a lot of space and it's heavy. So we cannot take the globe wherever you can go because it is very big. It takes the space as well as it is very heavier. So that's why we cannot carry the globe always with you. And third thing is that a specific area cannot be enlarged on the globe. So we can understand that globe is only show the location and the shape, but it cannot be used to enlarge the any specific area. Means we cannot zoom on the globe. The next topic we will learn maps. You can see that this is the map of India. So this is the different kinds of state of India. So how is their location? What is their direction? You can see through the map. Okay. A map is two-dimensional representation of the earth on a flat surface. So now you can see that this is a map which is explained on the flat surface. So map can be expressed on the flat surface. So what can we draw the maps of? We can draw the maps of continents, that is Africa continent, America continent, Asia continent, Arctic and Arctic, as well as Australia continents. Then countries there are so many countries in the world, America, Japan, France, China, like that. After that states, India has so many states, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, then Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, like that. Cities, there are so many cities, Jaipur, Bhopal, Mumbai, then like that. Then also neighborhood, so we can see our neighborhood means Maharashtra, we are living in Maharashtra. So Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Gujarat. So these are our neighborhood. So we can draw the maps of this continent, countries, states, cities, and neighborhood. So what are the features of the map? First feature is that we can get more detailed and specific information through the map. So by using the map, we can get the more detailed and specific information. This is the first feature. Second, even the smallest area can be enlarged as shown on the map. So we can create the large map even the area is small. Okay, means for a small area we can create or we can prepare a large size of map. And third one is that we can draw a map to indicate the mountains, means we can use the map to show the mountains, rivers, population, crops, wildlife, forests, and minerals. Means different types of natural element can be shown with the help of map. So what are the limitation of map? So map also has two limitation. First of all, that actually the earth is spherical shape. You know that earth has the spherical, means circular shape. It cannot be shown accurately on the flat surface. So how can we show it on a flat surface is the first drawback. Means we cannot show the spherical shape of the earth on a flat surface. Second is that map distort, means pull or twist the shape of the and size of the landforms. So what there are different types of oceans are there, mountains are there, land plates are there. So that can be pulled or shrink while drawing the map. So these are the two limitation of the map. Okay, now it is you are learning at home time. Write this question answer at your home. First question, write any two limitation of the globe. Second, write any two feature maps. And third is that what are the limitation of the maps. Do it and learn it. Thank you.